So if your Tacoma is anything like mine, probably has these rusty, crappy tie-downs here that are junk. So my buddy Keith at Charvonia Designs made these billet tie-downs here in the United States. Really solid pieces. They're available in red, blue. I went with black because I thought it was pretty clean. Wouldn't clash with the red on the truck. And they're designed to have this special insert here for a ratchet strap so they don't flop all over the place. So in addition to that, they come with this really nice hex hardware, which is going to replace your crusty hardware from your original tie downs. And installation is really easy. I did have to grind down the plastic bed liner a little bit, but all in all, it probably took about 10-15 minutes tops. And now when I'm transporting my wife's kayak that she's never going to use, or my Ducati, or any of our toys in the back of our truck, I'll know they're secure. And that's why you should go to Charvonia Designs and pick up some billet tie downs. This is probably not necessary, but my truck was in Maine for most of its life, so we heated it up a bit just to loosen the bolts. You really don't need to do this. So you're going to want to use your pneumatic grinder here to remove some of the material. It's actually pretty bad. Let's get some. Surely you have one of these at home. Of course. Nice. Look at that. Good. You got the other bolt? So if your Tacoma is anything like mine and you have these rusty tie downs, you can go to Charvonia Designs and get these really nice billet ones, which have this nice insert here for a ratchet strap. So if you're putting a dirt bike or a kayak you bought for your wife that she's never going to use in here, it's the perfect thing to use. Strap it in here, it's solid, they're not going anywhere. I mean, just looking at this thing, you know, years of abuse in Maine, it's been tied down to all kinds of stuff, poor little thing. We're going to replace that with the Charvonia Designs billet tie downs. These are made in the United States. Really nice pieces. Definitely going to make sure your motorcycle, your kayaks, all your stuff stays in one place. Also, it's a good thing that I'm not a surgeon because my grinds, not precision, but they get the job done. All right, well, that's one of many projects to come on the JSM Tacoma. The Charvonia Designs billet tie downs are in. Now it's off to go buy a new kayak for the wife.